In this video, we're going to look at how to connect your WA11 to an Android device or an Apple iOS device for music listening. First, make sure that your WA11 is fully charged. You can tell by the battery status indicator, the 4 LEDs, meaning that the battery is fully charged. You will need to use the supplied USB-C to USB-C cable. If your Android device is not USB-C, you can buy a USB-C to micro USB adapter. Take a look at the supplied USB-C cable. On one end of the cable, the marking shows USB 2.0 OTG host. This is the side that goes to your Android device or any devices with USB-C. On the opposite side of the cable that does not have the printing goes to the DAC input of your WA11. We recommend an application called USB Audio Player for Android devices. Once connected and the WA11 is powered on, you will see USB audio device initiated on the screen. From here, you can enjoy high-quality music through your WA11. The USB audio app for Android can also play DSD files. As you can see here on my phone, I have DSD 2.8 MHz file. You can also play any PCM files with this application. To use a Windows device, the process is very similar to an Android device. On Windows 10, you do not need a USB audio driver. Windows 10 now supports USB 2.0 audio natively, so it's a plug-and-play process. Again, you want to use the OTG host side that goes to your Windows computer. In this case, we have the USB-C connection on my Surface laptop. Windows will automatically recognize WA11, as you can see here, setting up device. Device is ready. WU Audio device is set up and ready to go. Now simply open your favorite music app. In this case, we're going to use Tidal. And you'll see within the settings, the sound output, default speakers, WU Audio. Your WA11 is ready to go. To use an Apple device with USB-C, the process is the same. Before connecting to your Apple device, make sure that the side that you're using is the one that's marked OTG host. I had the 2018 iPad Pro, which supports USB-C protocol. You don't need any dongles to connect your iPad Pro to WA11. Simply use the supplied USB-C cable. For the initial test, we recommend to use the default music app. If you don't have any music here, that's okay. You can use the Apple Radio. This is a free service. We have Beats 1 streaming to the WA11 now. Ideally, for the best sound, you want to use local files, local music. If you're not getting any sound on your WA11, double check that the output is set to headphone. You can do this by selecting the AirPlay icon and make sure headphones is checked. We also recommend setting the output level to maximum to ensure bit-perfect connectivity. If your Apple device uses a Lightning connector, you will need to buy the Apple Lightning to USB-A adapter. This Lightning to USB adapter is available from Apple through its online store or their retail store. We recommend to purchase this from Apple directly to avoid counterfeits. In this case, you will need the supplied USB-C to USB-A cable. Simply connect the USB-A side to the Apple adapter and the USB-C side to the DAC input of your WA11. Next is to connect the Lightning adapter to your Apple iPhone or iPad and open the default music app. Again, you can test with Apple Radio, or if you have any music stored, you can test with the music that's on your phone. If for any reason that you are not getting any sound, tap the AirPlay icon and make sure that WU audio is selected and the volume is set to maximum. If for unknown reason it is not outputting the signal, you may want to restart your iPad or your iPhone. If you have a Mac with USB-C or Thunderbolt 3, the process is the same. Use the supply USB-C cable. Again, note that the end with the USB 2.0 OTG host marking goes to the computer. On the Mac, you want to go to Spotlight Search and type in Audio MIDI Application. Select that. Once you have your WA11 powered on, you will see WU Audio listed as one of the output devices. You can right-click on this to make sure that use this device for sound output is ghosted. That means it is selected. This ensures that your Mac knows which output to use.